light in the dark room.
Nagkakalala kami nung grade 6. Tapos, naging kami nung high school. Best friend ko siya noon eh. Best friend ko lang siya, tapos lagi kaming lumalabas. Hanggang sa naging kami na lang.
It's about to fire. She's the steady that'll keep you sane. If love's a fool, then I'm a liar. I know she's the only way.
Rachel, my love. In September 16, 2024, during our 11th anniversary, I gave you a flowers. At paulit-ulit mong sinabi na last girlfriend anniversary flower mo na yun. Ang message ko na lang sa kanya siguro ay ituloy niya lang yung kung paano siya at hindi siya magbabago. Yan, I love you. Ayan, si Rachel at ako ay nag-meet noong high school kami at naging kami nung 4th year high school. Nagustuhan ko siya kasi mula noon hanggang ngayon ay naging supportive siya sa mga gusto ko at caring siya. Ayan.
This touch before, the kind that taught me what my eyes were for. Every piece of her, I just want more. She's the one I can't ignore. She sees colors that I can't see, and she knows me, even when I don't. She knows where she goes, I will go.
Adventure. Lagi kami nag-road trip. Tuwing nai-stress ako, lagi niya akong binayaya na tara, labas na lang tayo para hindi ka na ma-stress. Tapos every day off ko, laging may kaming namamasyal. Ganun. Parang ayaw niyang may nasasayang na oras, tsaka araw.
You showed me lovely. You showed me lovely. Oh, she sees colors that I can't see, and she knows.
In our marriage, I will always remember the word oneness. Oneness that I defines perfect trust, that embodies commitment of love, support, and uplift each other. Oneness na kung saan ang pangarap mo at pangarap ko ay iisa, ang challenge mo at challenge ko ay sabay natin ire-resolba. Struggles lang namin talaga ay nung naging LDR kami, pero after work, pinalad naman ako na nakapasok dito sa Santa Rosa. Kaya yun, naging tuloy-tuloy yung journey namin. Masaya naman kami nagsama, wala naman masyadong naging problema kasi jolly kaming mag-partners.
You're the one I've waited all my life for.
Kay Christian, sa future husband ko, thank you sa lahat ng pagmamahal mo sa akin. At saka thank you sa pag-aalaga mo at pagmamahal mo rin sa pamilya ko. Lagi lang ako dito para sa iyo, magiging kakampi mo ako sa lahat ng bagay. Love you.
Lose the fire of our youth. No, I'll never stop chasing your heart. My love is yours to hold. Through every high, every low, our love will only grow. And I'll be here when the sun sets. And I'll be here till our final breath. My love its hardest, it won't paralyze.
In our 11 years, napakaswerte ko kasi maaga kitang natagpuan. Sa mga hindi nakakaalam, she is my high school sweetheart. Ang lakas ko kay God, no, binigay agad ang forever ko. Pero that day na binigay ka, I tell God na alagaan kita.
I'll never stop chasing your heart. My love is yours to hold. Through every high, every low, our love will only grow. And I'll be here when the sun sets. And I'll be here till I find a breath. My love is all for you. Even as we wait for time to heal the broken parts, our light will find a way where hope is dim and skies are blurry. Take my hand and we will feel the wind upon our shoulders. Together we are stronger. Oh, together we are stronger. No, I'll never stop chasing your heart. My love is yours to hold. Through every high, every low, our love will only grow. And I'll be here when the sun sets. And I'll be here till our final breath. My love is all for you. It's all for you.